guys, I'm your friend Anushka and we are here to see my dogs, puppies. So cute they are. Let's go to my dog. See my dog's puppies. So nice, and she's my dog. And see. Wow. So nice. We have here, see, this one. See this one also. Oh. See them, so cute they are. See this group, wow. How they are sleeping. I'll keep them also. We'll keep. See. These are 10. 3 are boys and 7 are girls. See them. And this is father. Sammy. See. I'll click a photo of them. So my puppies, means my dog's puppies, are cute enough. See how they are sleeping. And these are their father and mother. She is the mother and this is the father. Yeah. See this. What they are doing? Today is the 3rd day of them. See this one. He has gone to his father. And she is like his father, and this one also. And all are like his mother, and this one is like father. These 3 are like father and all are like her mother. I think these 3 are boys only. No, not at all. So please like for them and subscribe this video and share this video to your friends. Share this video to your friends and comment below which one you like and how much you like the dogs. If you are scared, if you're angry on the, means if you're scared of them, please don't be scared. If you stand still, if the dog is coming near you, if you stand still, they will not do anything to you. Oh, wow, how they are sitting to eat the milk. Yeah? See. Wow. See this one? Bye guys, please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video to your friends, comment please. Bye. Wow.